Drone Flight Checklist. Remote pilot in command is required to develop a pre-flight inspection checklist. The checklist is usually integrated into the UAS flight software or can be obtained from the UAS vendor. Remote pilot in command should utilize the checklist to ensure the highest level of safety. Required documentation: Pilot's certificate, drone registration, UAS flight manual, proof of insurance. Check whether conditions are suitable. Check airframe for cracks and check all screws are tight. Propeller are not damaged and tightly fixed. Propulsion system mounting secure. Batteries should be fully charged and securely mounted. Communications, data link, should be checked. Ensure the GPS module, if any, has GPS fix. Check mission flight plan. Ensure sensors are calibrated and that the right setting is loaded. Complete flight crew briefing should be given. Ensure the launch site is free of obstacles. Recheck wind direction before launch. Return home and/or emergency landing locations, if supported by the particular UAS, are selected, located appropriately, and loaded to the GCS and drone. Abort mission if conditions are not suitable. Drone classes according to UAS laws in Pakistan. Class 1 less than 250 grams. Class 2 between 250 grams and 2 kilograms. Class 3 between 2 kilograms and 50 kilograms. Class 4 between 50 kilograms and 150 kilograms. Class 5 more than 150 kilograms. Class 3, 4 and 5 drones are required a certificate of airworthiness, remote pilot operation license and follow the rules of the air.